Do you want to know how you can log into your Religare Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Religare Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Religare Mutual Fund login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Religare Online. You can see that you can log in using your user ID. So go ahead and write down your user ID in this box and then write down your password in the second one. After you write down your password, make sure you check it by clicking on this icon. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Login to Vested Finance. This way, you can successfully log into your Religare Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your password or your user ID, these are the links for you to recover your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click Sign Up now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Religare Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.